This is by far the coolest thing that I have ever seen.
Something you don't see every day.
It absolutely has to be in every avid traveler's EDC kit. So what is it exactly? It's the AOHI custom length cable set. Now, if you're carrying multiple chargers with you everywhere you go and you hate different lengths of cables, making it frustrating to find the right one, you really need to stop that nonsense. Hey friends, my name is AOHI and I make videos on the technology in our lives and how we can use it to make our lives easier. If that sounds good to you, go ahead and kick it with me on this journey. Now, AOHI, I think that's how it's pronounced, the company reached out to me, and although I was initially skeptical when they told me that these cables would revolutionize the EDC community, I decided to give them a shot. And boy, was I blown away.
I'm blown away.
Now, the idea behind this is that you can build your own custom cable length to suit any aspect of your lifestyle. On the go, you probably need something short, but then what if you need to extend that length to plug into your laptop? Just snap on the extended cable and boom, good to go. This cable gives you a variety of possibilities to avoid clutter and entanglements. I always say a product's packaging is a reflection of the product itself. The packaging is absolutely premium. It was quite a great unboxing experience, but let me give you the download on how these cables actually work. First, we have the carry case, so you can take it anywhere you go. Next, we have a spring-loaded cable that extends up to 1.7 meters. Now, one thing I should mention is that everything in this kit is made of premium quality materials, down to the Kevlar braided cables that we see here, and the aluminum alloy connectors. It delivers a maximum charge of 240 watts, which is almost any device that you charge under the sun. Believe that. It's also MFI certified, so you know you can trust this with your Apple devices. Getting back to the kit itself, you can use these cables separately, or you can link them together to adjust your preferred length. For example, say I wanted a bit of length and flexibility. So I'll use the spring cable, which extends to 1.7 meters, and then add on a lightning port end to charge my iPhone. Wait, I want to charge my iPad instead, so you can easily remove the lightning adapter and pop on the included USB cable end. That is sweet, and that is adaptive. Now, say it's not long enough. There's an extra USB-C extension that snaps right on to give you that extra length with ease. So you can see the flexibility that these cables offer. You don't have to have a bunch of tangled cables anymore. And this won't just give you a slow charge. There's a next generation flash charge technology built into these cables that allow it to charge your device in multiple ways. We have a green light here to indicate trickle charging, a blue light to indicate standard charging, and an amber light to indicate rapid charging. You don't have to do anything. This cable will decide what is the best charging method for your device so that it maintains the longevity of your battery. Now, this Kickstarter product has blown past its initial goal, but you can still get the exclusive $89 early bird rate before the campaign ends. After that, the MSRP of this will be $139, but even at that price, at $139, I think this is worth it because this will replace everything that's in my travel EDC. I don't have to worry about bringing multiple cables. I can just bring this and that's it. Now, what do you think of these cables? Is this something that you want to add to your EDC travel kit to reduce the clutter? I have the link to the Kickstarter campaign down below, but even after that, I will add the Amazon link after it's released to the public, so you can get it either at the early bird rate on Kickstarter or at the MSRP on Amazon. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it's been informative to you. My name is AOHI. Thank you for kicking it with me.